Installing a PCIe riser extender. Note, the SR860 V3 is shown in this video, but the replacement procedures for the SR860 V4 are identical. Align the screw holes on the PCIe riser extender with the screw holes in the PCIe riser cage. Fasten the 6 screws to secure the PCIe riser extender. If necessary, install the PCIe adapter. Install the PCIe riser where the riser extender is installed. Reinstall the crossbar. If necessary, reinstall the front air baffle. Reinstall the rear top cover. Reinstall the front top cover.